I see our mail. It's our first mail since the hurricane. Huh. Wow. Got caught in the crossbeam. I didn't realize this was a little resting. I thought it was high. There's stuff out there too. And there. Good morning, everyone. This is Dave from Saving Our Sanctuary. This is day 2 of cutting up all the Hurricane Milton major stuff. I still got a bit of this, got a bit of that. Hope to get that. And then there's a pine tree that had grown up and got destroyed in Hurricane Ian that the town actually pushed about the property when they started clearing my property about a year ago. So I'm going to get that cut up and put it out in the bin too. But our first one, it's like 50 degrees right now and got a cool breeze going through, so I'm kind of dressed up. It's our first cold day of this season. Probably be one of the colder ones. We don't normally go down into the 30s or anything. We do hit the 40s sometimes, and we did have freezes in here 20 years ago. That all went away as the temperatures in the area started getting warmer. Anyhow, let's get back to this and get off climate change. And I'm going to start by cutting this down and getting it down to there, hopefully without smashing too many things. So let's get started. Not getting any cutting. Chainsaws on backwards? Is that right? Chainsaws on backwards. Crap. Sit here and do this all day long for one cut. So, sorry. Oh, did you see that? Shoot. It just squashed the plumeria as I pulled this over. Looks like I'm serious now. Big squash the plumeria. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it up there. Just do it. Just get it done. Man, that must have been on this early because it's only 9:03 right now. It says it's 57 degrees. Of course, we got the sun on us, so it's going to warm up. Jimmy Sammy's, some of the best breakfast food. We got this to remove. I'll pick up all the pieces that are around here. I may trim up a couple of Eurekas were snapped off and stuff. I might just cut them clean. I might leave that for when I burn this here because we might want to what is it? Cut the stock at an angle, feed it some fancy, dip in some plant food stuff, and then grow it, root it. We may root it. Took me a while, didn't it? Alright, I know you're down to 31%. This guy goes down battery real fast. This is what they got. I've got the no. This was underneath the tree, the oak. Get out of there. Sorry. I'll have to do some more work on it, but as you can see, it was flowering and it got nailed. Invasives are around all over the place. Alright, so walk through it. So completely squashed down. I was worried about the quarter lines and the lace leaf. Good. The arecas got nailed. There's still some. Over here. Let me get that over there. Oh, I'll get that. That'll come with me. Yeah. There's still some branches here and there, but the tree's gone. The tree's completely gone. We're gonna have to clean that up. And it's wide open. I am gonna have to cut somewhere up there to get it out of here. But I'm not gonna go up on the ladder. I'm not gonna climb it. There's a break up there. So I'm gonna, worry about that when I have my pole saw. I do have one. I just didn't bring it with me on this one. And those guys, I can put them in the fire pit once I open that up. All right, onward to under the big old oak on the other side of the property. And I'm out. All right. This is what we got. This is the end result of Hurricane Milton. Not too bad. Let's look over, and this is, there's still stuff to clean up, but I'm going to tell you this, for all intents and purposes, is where we're going to be until I start planting, weeding and planting again. There we go. See, because it's back up, huh? Yeah, these guys are getting a little bit of heat damage right now. They'll adapt if I water them more or more consistently. But yeah, it's my lacy leaf. It's quite a bit open now. I have some work to do. Obviously we've got new weeds and ferns, and so I'll be cleaning that out again. That's gonna be a lot easier. A lot of tree has fallen down here, so that'll be cleaned at a later date. Yeah, so I can get through there, although I will hit a tree or two. No, I won't. And of course, more dead trees falling down since. Here we come. Sorry, I'm weeding while I for yourself. Here comes the next one. And it's about time. Just cool. Hey. There we go. I can start working on another pile in the back. What's that, about 15 cubic yards? 20, yeah. That was two oaks, one pine, 2 palms. Man, we can't have any more hurricanes. I saw it. Wow, look at the after. Okay, I gotta clean out a few things. I've already gone through it once. My dog's still barking, which is pretty bad. But that's the end of all of this. So Hurricane Milton's on the books as being yet another cleanup project. With that being said, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and this is Dave from Saving Our Sanctuary. I gotta tell you, I'm out.